little bit the Bible today. Okay, I want to start reading about the Matthew chapter 7, verse 1. Verse 1. Do not judge, no, or you too will be judged. No? Do not judge, no? You too will be judged, or you too will be judged. Okay. Let us go to the Nyani hip hop. Target me, not. No, I want to come and talk about that not. Not. No? Not is what is the meaning about not? Not really is no. Um. Okay. Do not. Okay. Do not. So many things about the not people talking here in the Bible. Not is talk about the do not judge. Okay, Bible talk about do not judge. This is a Jesus spoken. Jesus spoken. Jesus speaking. All right. Kita nak guna apa ini perkara kuala bakal kasakri ketura not plan mana. Nak ni tiada pergi mana jebak anak mana jebak mana. Anak kalau translate ku punya orang lah tu no tu pergi mana temeba not sidang temeba. Pasal nak kita ni ya cini le pergi mana tak tu adobo mana. I will tell you about example about the Quran and English. Okay, love they call love. Mean about the Quran translation talk about ta'e. Ta'e when you speak in the whole center, okay, I love you mean the yeah it nah only just like that it love mean it no the same thing do not just mean no taba senior tadaki no pagda taba senior tadaki no pay ro pagda mala no do not just ne no do taba senior tadaki do senior tatu wediki no senior tatu wediki let us go to pain it not sit down and paint it taba no taba call banyon no pakalequa pain no limate a certain way opportunity did to tabata senior do senior tatu wediki no when it buffalo that kind of no did to tabata senior do senior tu wediki no senior tatu wediki hey ni pagdeta mala je tinely so sine couple difference okone no hi Sam Zilsa thank you so much now we see again now let us go we have to keep in reading about the Bible okay here is the more about that no? Luke chapter 6 verse 34 no 37 talk about Luke chapter 6 verse 37 talk about do not judge and you will not be judged do not condemn and you will not be condemned forgive and you will be forgiven no when you should think about it forgive and you will be forgiven. This is the Luke chapter, okay, Luke chapter 6, verse 37. You want to read it, you can read it there, no? Just this is Jesus spoken. When I get it, my the sociable when they make a sacred to learn the Luca Kubu, no? Katuara, Tithi Babala, Taka to Tilpano. The Luca Asero who a sapo. The sinune tevra, tu the senior targi, daughter the senior batuba. Tu the senior ba the senior hatargi, daughter senior habatuba. No platarki, daughter plani tulo. Melaja palamuguli so she company, a web party without a clue, no? Party with a clue, terala dot, no, picture mata, the si, no, tu the senior. Tataki, daughter senior Kabatuba, Sitane, a when it takane party, no, little put out on it, daughter Clunia, Patwanyamano. Put out to me, Peklequa, Lertama, Tatil Pape to ship home, no. Pagkatapos malam pagkilekuasi kalau pay ni tewele menit mile. Romans chapter 2 verse 1 talk about. Romans chapter 2 verse 1. No, you therefore have no excuse, you who pass judgment on someone else, for as whatever points you judge the other, you are condemning yourself because you who pass judgment to do the same thing. Okay? Doesn't matter. You should think about carefully. This is a Roman chapter 2, the verse 1. Talk about. Roman is the we know about the Paul's written for talk about to the Roman people. No, later no could have a thing in the Roman. But na polo patamu pulo tati the pai sikolo. Penny pakale pakwa, no, pakale pakwa lo pakanyo a clonit sep home, no. Lirome a sado pakatera mala a sado key, no. Lirome a sado key a sub ho. Turn it devadile. Mother did all pakanyolo at no a signor takua den, no. Mother needed all pakanyolo a signor takua de, Nakatopu planeta a lot over. Agree e talent a senior pogani, na senior hanata danelo. Nakatopu planeta a lot over. Okay. Let us go up a cropatu patalo, but tamo pulutaki, taku to the bicycle, no? No, bagle qua pay tapitama to the pa, no? Romans chapter 14, verse 3, talk about what delay, no? Romans chapter 14, verse 3, no? The man who is everything must not look down on him who does not, and the man who does not eat everything must not condemn the man who does. For God has accept him. Accept him. No. We want to talk about the easy way. Okay, someone eating or something. Okay, maybe in the Bible talk about that this is not unclean, this is unclean, this is a clean, this is not unclean. But people eating, people eating cannot talking to the people not eating. Okay, must not look down. Must not look down. Backward the lower. Follow order the planet, backward the lower, follow to order the pano. Follow to order the pasico and the backward the lower, follow order the sico. A when he le yetasi tak to Pacolo. Maybe le pacano a clolo, a work with any, pecle qua page set home. I want to look at to the current Bible here. Matthew chapter 14 verse 3 Rome is lui Roman chapter 14 verse 3 I want to put it mara tagi Penny tevra Poiler otani mo a tutama terotapa poiler at obatani de tagamano Penny do poiler a obatani mo a tut senior poiler no a otani de put no poiler at otani poiler at otava tipani the ba senior without poiler at poiler a order the power no little hutaron tapita money leda dinimono okay the same thing we see the same thing okay we have to be argue each other we talking each other maybe oh you doing this one okay you do like this is a different thing we do okay it's very separate but you should think about it it's not separation the guy eating, doing something, but you can't tell him, and then you can't look down him, and then the guy is not eating, but when the other people eating, you cannot look down, you cannot tell them. No, this is the same way Jesus talking about. No, here's the First Corinthians, First Corinthians chapter 4 verse 35 talk about no pain no Pagkatera mala takritu asado lui no takritu asado lui sapotho do yeni pagkakwa panit sepo no 4 chapter 4 verse 3 and 5 no pain devra dile no I care very little if I am judged by use or by any human's court indeed I do not even judge myself. When it did this is a apostle of Christ. Therefore, just nothing before no the appointed time. Wait time the Lord's come. He will bring to light no what is hiding in darkness and will expose the motive of man's hearts. At the time, each will receive his praise from God. What do you think about this talking? Okay, this is a First Corinthians chapter 4, the verse 5 talk about that. Okay, don't judge. Okay, before don't judge, and then you know that don't point. It's not the time. Yes. Okay, it's not the time yet. You have to wait in the Lord come. Jesus coming again. You have to wait in the Jesus coming. Okay. After that, okay, here he will bring to light what is hiding in darkness. Whatever people doing, okay, they hide something in their behind. Maybe you don't know about the thing, but you should think about it. Jesus come in and bring the light. Mean you cannot hide anything. People bring the light in your room. You cannot hide it. They can find whatever you hide it. No? This is the meaning about this. And then he will expose. No? He will expose and then motivate. No? The man heart. This is the man heart mean. What is the man heart? You know that maybe you mess something, you do something wrong. This is the man heart. The man heart is sometimes good, sometimes not good. They can change every second, every minute, okay, every day. After that, you know that as the time each will resist his presence from God. What is that meaning? Praising from God. Do you know about that? You're doing a good thing, that God praises you. Okay. You're doing a good thing, that God not praising you. Remember this. Okay, let us go down to Patu Patala, Tagita Pain, David Adele. Degree to a shadow Louis, no, forget my degree to a shadow Louis, no. A saboteur, no. Pagdem a saboteur do yeni tevadile. Pasado tu signor ya migi. Paganyo signor ya migi. Yapala ta asit katelo. I want to support you no. Tu signor ya migi. Paganyo signor ya migi ni yapala ta asit katel. Tevada panema. Mother dinero le a secretary to body bow. No. Kasada clear heady. Hello Divado, to the senior tan no midi. Away no, Katu plaro takutu ule takikla, dokama pla, patha atakunilo, dunu to sue, no, Puatagado, Taga, Kaneba atasitopatra, lejuano, Puatagala, Puataga Badaga, Kaneba atasitopatra, lejuan. Mana, bagian nama le pemara apu, pemara kutu tak kutu apu megan. Awan ini minta le pakro napa le taklu no. Okay, kasihnya tu orang teori le. Next verse. I want to read for you next verse. James chapter 4 verse 11 talk about. James chapter 4 verse 11 talk about. Brother, do not slander one another. Anyone who speaks against his brother or hides on, no. Brother, do not slander one another. Anyone who speak against his brother or just him speak against the Lord and judge it. Once you judge the Lord, you are not keeping it, but sitting in judgment on it. Okay, you should think about carefully. Okay, you cannot slander one another. Okay, you cannot speak against. No, this is meaning about it. And then you get the Lord. No, the Lord. Kita nak apa kerapatu pada letak kita kelukai. Peni pekle kuala. No, liya ko asado lui asabo de sitter ni teva padile. No, liya ko asado lui asabo to sitter ni. Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you so much. No, pay no pekle kuala deal. No, highs. No. Pay no pekle kuala deal. No, liya ko asado lui asabo de sitter ni. Do pu with you to see us sito lo di tu targi no sito lo di tu targi pola no asi do pu we do sinyo do pu we ni si ta tu ta to do sinyo ta tu ta do lo do no nemi sinyo ta tu ta to do nemi po sinyo ta do tamiba pasuta no pasuta tuta toma no pagitama pa me signota tuta toro pagitana pakera pasignora okay tato tato ne de ba pa me te de ne no awani pakera pasignora no pa me kevera le pagitete ma le no awani mo no tamira le pasuta tuta to ta le pasuta tuta to sidane no God spoken. Okay, we obey. When it begin, no, God spoken, and then we judging. I want a difference now. Let us look at pakra, no, high, no, pakra patu patala patamu pum, no, pakra patu patala patamu pum, no, lick hand, high lick hand. Let us look at pakra patu patala patamu pum. The mega to me, ni, babasukomo petino pala patamu pum. Patale taki, patapitama, pata usu. No? Today is the I reading for you about the Matthew chapter 7 verse 1 talk about do not judge or you too will be judged. This meaning about the only just one thing I taken not. Not is very important. Do not judge, okay? Do not look down on other people. Okay, do not guess each other. Okay, this meaning about very interested to other people. Okay, you look down people, and then people think about, oh, I can't do nothing. Maybe they said, and then they will, no, it's just not good thing about the people doing like this. You should be brother and sister, every person in the world. Thank you so much, my friend, and my brother. And today, okay, I want to finish this lesson today. You want to read in best, you can read in best here. Luke chapter 6, verse 37. You will see there, Romans chapter 2, verse 1. And then Romans chapter 14, verse 3. And then 1 Corinthians chapter 4, verse 3 and 5. James chapter 4, 11. You can look at it there. You can read by yourself, feeling by yourself, okay? Think about by yourself. Nobody can force you. Nobody can tell you nothing, okay? One day you have Bible reading, okay? And then you will get something in the Bible. And then this is Jesus spoken, and then the Paul spoken, okay? In the written. Thank you so much, my friends, my brother and sister, all in my China. Okay, God bless you all. God bless your family. God bless you wherever you go. Bye bye.